I've been here in the area today.
I feel the vibes here. Come back and hurt me.
Oh, well, I mix up. Come on, to access things and stuff.
Can I mix up you ask about now?
Oh, God, for this baby.
I feel like more talk about that. So that's something to talk about.
Really? I come to ask for something, alright? Now I need answer.
Yeah,
oh, kiss me, baby, move out. So, what you do all?
Mama, I kiss me, baby, do me something. You don't want to see little thing in your dirty boy jawbone. He know see a back room, my room there, you know. He doesn't have sense. Running pa Mass Henry woman, kiss me baby last time. Kiss me, start ball out. Me run go look, if see how I do, when me look, a jawbone in there. So me think you have something there in there though. So me just start getting loud. And go vulgar. And think my man would have helped me with a jawbone. What did I help me?
When do?
Jawbone run out, left me one, me kiss me baby, beat me. One at a time me do one there in the pool.
What jawbone you do not kiss me baby room?
I got me one, no. Same things are in the middle. And
yeah,
in
all the days and weeks and months we live here. That's not so right.
Hey, as I kiss me baby, me glad saying gone. But you know what hurt me the most? So me get the ass whooping before he
go. Gone?
Can me get the man for myself now. Papa is for
Manda
me.
Still there.
Who is Manda?
Which man for which self? They attack about. Am I money attack about?
Which man that? You have man in here, sir?
Me have man everywhere, girl.
You didn't want one man here, sir?
Yes.
You have one man everywhere but not here, sir. You didn't want one man here, sir? Papa is my man. And my man that.
Papa, you?
Yes. Him said one.
Who name Papa?
You never know say Martin right name of Papa. And my man. I just have me right near the birth certificate.
But anyways, if you Papa want you, as you call him.
Girl, I don't feel say you want me. I know say you want me. If you choose between me and you and me, I go choose. I'm confident on that.
What you choose now? Come you want to see how which one of me I go choose?
I mean you want. You know one like how you could dirty girl go around the night time and a skin out for nothing at all.
I do the same thing when me I do.
Hello. I want skin out me do and I want me I give Mass Henry. Me not do no one bag of skin out.
Too lie, you fit happy.
Who too lie? Girl!
You think I said you go bush with Jabon? The first time I meet you.
So Jabon is my man. I mean I top take Jabon, what you gonna do about it?
My man first.
I mean they take you all of your man them. Everyone them me I take.
And then you custom and talk about how.
Me no business. If you want to classify me as poor, me want big one put me head on the block with that. And my man, I go always be my man.
Style, girl.
What style?
And then you cuss me about it. That makes sense? How that makes sense?
Me second down now with Mass Henry. Mass Henry is my man. Mass Henry is my man. And you better come out of this. Can you say if you come out of this? One day. Hey, you see how you see kiss me baby gone? I saw me go and get rid of you. Can you feel to say me a laughing in a girl?
Get rid of you first.
Get rid of who? Mama, me no long talking with you. Yes, I am woman, you know, see freak up yard. Make me rake up yard. And my man yard, me go and rake it up. The one come out one by one.
Yeah, find something to do.
You realize, say, I want to tree, I will live in the yard, idiot? One by one, me get rid of the whole of who.
Rake up the yard.
You come and argue with me in the morning, yeah. So, go dirty girl, yeah. Because thinking girl when I get a morning time, you know. Because I rev out her body and I have nothing. Me I rev my body but me have a man. Out of order. How do you girl here?
You have a house?
You blind? See me house here. I feel me this.
Me can't lick down this any day.
Me can't rev down this any day.
Rev it down now?
Me rev it down, me been a rev it down.
You can't get me answer when me did come out so later.
Oh, she a come argue with me about man. Oh, this a little pussy tail girl. So girl a dirty now, sir.
Bend your back and rake yard.
He saw.
Me go catch that man.
Me lick him in the head, you know. Mama, let me go look for your master. See, master, if you can't take out, you know. Oh, okay, if you let me know, friggin'
you want him come. Bright and stink.
Master Henry! Master Henry! Master Henry! Master Henry! Hello.
Hello, good day. Okay, I want to come back.
Welcome, Master Henry.
Master Henry, no there. When you want?
We house for rent.
No space no there.
Huh?
But if you can come.
But me I tell you no space no left.
What do you mean? You tell me say one somebody must leave last night or something like that?
No space no there. Somebody come already. Yes, me know I'm full of attitude. You're just like some strippers, so.
Girl, do not worry about me.
Me not worry about you.
Don't worry about me. Call the man and the man me come
me don't know the man there.
So what kind of mix up here this? As you come here,
exactly.
I say you introduce a new
tenant.
Oh no, tenant, no space no there.
Hey man, so we can't come. My man, so we come today.
Talk to her.
Hello.
Hello, we are looking for Masonry.
How
Can I visit Masonry?
No, I'm bought the house. We rent a house. Yes, and
Anyways, stop the nice girl. Me show you do this. Me tell you to teach over and over. And me are the wife.
Okay.
Yes, so when you come for the house,
Yes.
80,000. Huh? 80,000.
And I told them.
Yeah, when they know it's 80,000, we run off in 80,000. You pay 80, I'm the wife.
The AC come at night.
And we have AC. But don't look fit in the day, look fit in the night. Air condition. Hold.
So where get some money from Mama?
Mama, work.
We work, you know. We work. So we say we can get the room, right?
80,000 up front.
We don't have it now. We have to go back.
More first and more last month and this month, friend.
Yeah, but we have to
Yeah,
go back.
you go get him, but not today. No.
I know today when I get the room.
What do you mean by?
No, we are going to go to the bank and come back.
Oh, yeah.
man,
All right. When you come back, you can get the
The room
room.
available and me in charge now.
Listen to me. We just come. We don't admit to nobody. But Mas Henry say, he never tell us how to pay as they come in.
Yeah, you said we just put on with
If I would
them
just
and wait until they
get
come.
comfortable. He never say how to pay no wife no money or that they want the money. He
Mama,
said
me tell us
if
how
we
to
get
pay me no
comfortable in
money.
the
I'll
house.
get comfortable now here.
Now the house.
You can't get comfortable and not pay no money.
Mama, we go pay with money. But we have to wait until him come. Because him rent with us. And you
If
take
we didn't know
money
how to pay money as they come, we would have carry the cash. We don't have the cash right
So
now.
no one wait until him come and pay
Yes.
money. Good
Alright, stay
idea.
out the door and wait.
Hello.
I mean,
We are come
No,
to.
come in.
Hey!
we're just to mess around with Palmas and you can understand this a
Go
place.
right. Hey, go by your sister, girl.
You can't hold us a moment. Turn up on your foot.
Why? And all as around this island there, people come.
Yeah, we don't know if you guys also want to come.
That's gone.
Oh, for
We come
God.
and send me.
I'm going to come anytime soon. I'm going to pay money and go on, you know.
You know where we're planning him.
Alright. Have we upon him?
So on name.
My name Riri.
Hot already.
See.
If you hot
Oh, serious?
oh, wagon.
Hi,
really?
Mas
We pay
Henry.
all long.
Yeah, we're playing all long. What I do is sit down in upon the black day. All long. No, your wife say.
Which wife?
She.
Me tell her that.
So we'll pay 80,000 for going night.
Where wife there?
For rent.
Me tell you that.
Yes, so that you say.
You can't tell her like for me.
Hello, we
It's still
tell
in
her.
Which money want next one?
One is short black one. If it, me never know what she feels.
If you're a mango.
Listen to me. I am the only boss here. Yeah? I tell you, so one in the come today, when if you go in and they show in the empty room and go in there till they come.
They're not showing up. They will put me. We'll see how they so look.
You like the door.
Like the door gone in. They want to feel rat.
I like them and tell for me, man.
Boy, your wife. Your wife in
At
there.
80 grand, you really are charged by
80
10 of them.
grand.
80 grand.
Yes,
You want to
the
look
man
bad
is a
for
one,
me?
yeah.
She.
Wait for your
the
back.
rat.
Come here.
Wait for your back. You come and let us your head down. You come
Don't
and
worry
let us
yourself.
your
Don't
back.
worry yourself. It's so dope.
You
It's
man
so
put you
dope.
out
Me
there,
at work. Come here soon come.
How are this man? Your head dirty and favor me. Hey, girl, don't start with me now. I could never me a come, but
Cocky.
it's like the man put you out and even give you the clothes and take back when buy. All the underpants he give you. It's the bazaar bigger than your foot.
Mama.
Nobody never tell them no. Kayla come out here and ask them if them come about the room. Them say yes. The Kayla say come in. Them say no. Them want to stay outside till Henry come. So we go back in.
Lion! Lion! We tell that. You know what I say?
Mama.
The tone is a big
yeah,
liar.
she just say well.
Because never come in here school.
Me say if you can't your ears, I test me, I test if you know if you go carry news. Yeah. I saw me test me, tell them when they come here. I say cock your ears. Because I want to know if you hear certain things.
I don't hear everything.
So you just cock your ears to listen what I want. But anyway.
Mr. Henry, me never come here for no argument with nobody. Me come here for the house.
No, man, that's too much.
Yes.
We greet them nice. Ask Kayla.
You not give me the knife. Because she never there when we come. And she did there. And she a come and know herself already to come.
Hello, Miss Henry, Master area.
Your mouth so
Whatever you
Keep on your
want.
mouth.
Listen, I come from rent it also. I can go inside and pay
40
me get
grand,
money.
alright, you how me run my place now.
Okay.
40 grand a month.
Mm-hmm.
Me not like nasty people.
Okay.
You see when you not gonna see on a cycle, you see the bathroom, do not let no stay free in there.
Okay.
Take up you with you, carry go on road.
Okay. No
Right.
problem.
And girl,
Next thing again. You see, if you not cook on the stove, don't make it boil over on the stove.
No problem.
Right? Next thing again, the gas. A 4,000 normally gas man charge.
Okay.
But each one now, no, You can't put $3,000.
Right.
$4,000 house, not $3,000.
No, you have to do the
Are
math.
rich or rich off of we?
Huh?
Rich or rich off of we?
Mama, do the math. Yes, a 4,000 feet, and I charge you $3,000 each. You know, using the command sense, we take $1,000 fight. Next thing again.
And you use your bright sense. And put that the 4,000 that we are telling you.
Why?
Huh?
Me don't know which idiot out there so. And all the idiot out there is you.
You say the gas is for 4,000.
Right.
Right.
I'm going to take $1,000 over each one.
good.
Of them.
3 how much?
Not 6.
Alright, and 6 how much?
Not 12.
So what is the difference?
I want 12,000 you want to push in your pocket.
Yeah, idiot.
You want
And
rich off of we?
$1,000 going in my pocket, I reserve. If we not
don't
have it,
talk,
if we not have it to buy one day, we have gas money, right?
Okay.
Good. You want to learn maths now. Next thing is in the shower,
Yeah.
there's a limit for water.
Backside.
You ever go to a supermarket and buy one of them gallon of water there?
Yes.
You catch twice and you put it on the bath and bathe.
Eh?
Yeah. You reserve water. It's when you brush your teeth, you get a cup, you catch your water.
And I want to use one black bucket. Please use the black bucket.
Huh?
The black bucket, everybody use the black bucket, so you have to come and use the black bucket too.
Why black bucket for?
It's to catch the water in it.
So why have catch water in a black bucket to wash your face? Why don't you use a cup?
The cup
We shot a cup.
Fucking have places.
I think you have done this with toilet. Anyway,
What kind of places you have a charter cup and all of them something there?
no, you want me to say me no business about that. And me I rent my place and me I tell you my rules. You see, yes or no? You notice no man no live here. No man no fi come
No
here.
man at all.
Me are the only man
No,
who do
I'm
all
the
the
biggest
service.
woman in here.
We do all the service.
The
Any
big
service
jazz
you
in
want,
here.
you call me.
Big
Can
jazz.
I service
Any
you can
leaking,
possibly give me
you
right
call me.
Oh, but the bathroom.
Anything you call in there, call me. Next thing again, mama, when I use the toilet and feast out on yourself, when some come out flush, because some man on the feast is too big on the bungy toilet.
Me not laugh. Man, me not laugh. But me
Next
laugh.
thing.
And that they do. And then she come out and go and she act
Hold
and she
on,
not
lay out me rules, shut your mouth and chat.
Shut your mouth, make it landlord talk.
You see the tissue,
Yes.
you will not roll too much tight.
Me right.
Because we notice that some man put stuff in on the panty.
Huh?
Yeah.
So again, can
Yes,
my pad?
Judy.
What go on here, sir?
New tenant.
Oh, so as one gone, 2 pitch.
Yes.
So what is?
Yeah, help your rent, yes, sir.
I don't give a damn.
When last you give me rent?
When last I get me front? What?
Go on in. Yeah, the room on the left. Take the room on the left.
Okay. And stop giving the landlord the front. Hello, you just come here, you know.
Come again. Listen me. You see next time one new tenant come here and you lavish your mouth and me and you're there. Look at you. Your favorite zoo. Don't do it again. Don't do it
And the
again.
zoo.
Me tell you already, up here swim, me a swim. It worse than that when Titanic a good on. Don't do it.
Shirt.
Don't do that
They
again.
got me
What me say to you? Don't do it
They
again.
got me
Go
blouse.
on in. Go on in.
Titanic Ocean, me want to argue with.
You. Bob Marley funeral. Go on in. Go on in.
So zoo, me not fi pay no money, me can't look for you.
Gorilla, go on in. Go on in. Gorilla, go on in. You.
What kind
In.
of zoo is they mix
In.
up?
Now let me come back here.
I chop me idiot man.
You want me chop you for real? You want me chop you for
I
real?
got police station.
Go on. No, torment, backside, don't be.
Whoa, yeah. Don't wash my face, I know. Oh,
Morning.
morning.
How you come from?
No, sir, when I'm back, I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah,
Wash your face.
yeah,
We do that.
yeah.
Smelly.
Ah! I think I should stop.
Cause if you brush your teeth and wash your face, so that they smelly. Why you go smelly now?
How I do it?
Girl, everybody come and do something to that shit bucket there.
What?
So me couldn't make you escape.
Mama.
Where's it? Shit bucket!
I have to show you all me did for spy last night and me bust a shit in it.
Lord Jesus Christ! So nobody could tell me that this is a shit bucket and me wash my face with it.
Watch it.
Mama.
Social media. Shitty face Rihanna come to the to Papa out.
Start right there, sis. It's not Rihanna, it's Riri. But
No,
all
girl,
if
you
you
know
do that.
Girl, Rihanna, shitty face Rihanna.
Mama, me can't say something. When did I brush your teeth?
Yeah.
And I smelly.
When I
When did I wash your face? And I smelly that.
No.
And
Every
she
time we say it, we for use.
I'm
Where
gonna directly
from
tell you.
I don't know.
Put it on so she can't get it too.
Yeah. Make sure she use it.
Can't me forget going to rewash my face. We can't be.
The
Mama,
shit they
your
can't
face
wash off.
Can't be
See shit then under your jaw.
I'm not shitting at them shit night last night. And she did too bad when she come. Her friend really want to get her friend more loud. Her mouth just big.
Put it. I brought this me and go back.
And she going, hey. Like I want like she body now. No, the brother come like saying want loader than me and the body not supposed to load than me. My own body supposed to load. So I go do. Mommy, I move shit bucket and sit on mama and wait for my Henry.
You wait for Master when him come and call me.
Not call nobody. More money me want.
I them life here, I want to live. As I wake up and sit down with you, I can't look my work.
Me a talk to?
You don't want me with you, so.
Girl, listen to me. You just come here. Like a stand up. I make you know this properly. You just come here and you come like you want to face with me. You just come here come like you want to run the yard. What's wrong with you? I'm here really have to pick war with.
Me not pick no war with you.
I'm here really want to face the win.
Me not pick no war with you, and me not face with you. But all I'm saying is that I can just stay out just every morning, more than go up on the street, go look at sensible work, and
Mama.
work, and can pay your bills, man, enough, yeah. Do nothing with the
Let me
landlord.
tell you this. You know nothing about my business. You know what about me and the
Oh,
landlord.
landlord talk it.
Me have my money.
Mas Henry talk it when time me just move in, come in here.
I don't care what I want, but me I tell you this plain and straight. Whatever you want, name. Come and get your name yet. No face with me. Come and tell you this girl. You see me? Me a mad girl.
Me a mad girl too.
And you see to me no say me run a house, yeah?
Okay.
Me
The
nah
last
argue
time
with
the
girl.
landlord say, you is not no wife, so we are talking, baby. Come good.
Mama.
Come good. But me give you the rake. You see a rake on my face? Come good. Can me come out as a decent? Me just ask if I don't look at work and start pick for me, mama. You don't know me, do not start there.
Big ocean, deep ocean.
Hello, I never mean the landlord to that about.
Titanic.
You don't know about me.
Pum big like a funnel and deep like a tunnel girl. And me you want to argue with?
You may argue with.
Look a big dirty girl I want to argue with. Move back out of the yard.
Me not go to the yard, you know.
Move back out of the yard.
Me say
Move back out of the yard, yeah.
Pull on that. Me talking
Move back
to you.
out of the yard.
Me talking to you.
You say me grab up in this morning.
You know, me not
You say me grab up in this
Me not
morning.
say no to you. Me wait until landlord come.
Dirty girl.
Me I wait until landlord come.
Dirty nah-made girl.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry
Girl
about
when
me.
just catch is dirty.
Me not busy.
Girl.
Me not busy. Girl.
Dirty girl.
Go look on work.
God. You see all the devil strong. You see all the devil strong, Father God. Me there sit down by myself. This dirty girl want to come argue with me. This big dirty nothing for girl want to argue with me.
That's all you do. Sit down in front of the yard, watch who go in, watch who go out. That's all mind the business. But I don't need another house here.
How me do? Mama, me no see you come na argument with me. What everybody want to argue with me this morning? Y'all get pay? You get in cash?
No,
Mama, stop facing with me.
Me a face with you. Because
Me
me
a watch somebody?
me a face with
Me
you.
I watch you? Am I watching you?
That's exactly what I do.
Me see you gas up on my phone.
Coming like the landlord set up to watch everybody. You see everybody will go in. You see everybody will come out. Awa. You get your job.
I know see I say me say everybody come on. You say me never want to see you. Me never want to see something like you.
Like,
Something like you you see me eye them big, something like you me eye them get bigger. And to me now me eye them get bigger, me not see something like you sit my stomach.
Girl, me not have time to
Something like you need
I
help.
was just speaking the truth and that's just it.
Everybody
The truth
wanna
doesn't
argue with me
always
this
hurt.
morning. How want me do? Me shit in a churchyard.
I want to go on. In a church, I watch people business. How are you for?
So this kettle girl man.
No, me I ask, because me did not bathroom and me ear care.
I think me don't want to lick down them night morning, you know.
She said she watch people business and she
Me just left just wall and just start beat her.
Girl, hey, I will beat you.
Look at dirty thinking girl, man. I'm tired.
Don't want a child face.
I thought it's so. Hey, girl. My girl. Must any if you talk to because you're not going to argue with me, you know. But nobody going to argue with me.
You girl, you know some of my yard there come from me ask you, how you love run down your body so? Eh?
A white girl. How your address? I'm your address?
You a girl because you imagine some where you go
We
for?
still can't find a girl where you're talking about.
You are the girl. I want me say girl, me no mean like no G-A-L, you know. G-A-L-L-L-L.
You
Girl!
can't see who you talk.
Listen, mama, let me tell you something. You see me here, right? And me here say, you and Tugger there.
Me a who?
Me here say, you back it up in a bush and you walk this
Who
up.
name Tugger?
Eh? You ask me, ask yourself.
And you may ask, come in on union, so now you are address me about the situation.
Eh?
Who is Tugger?
Guyanese man. Head.
Who is Guyanese?
Matter of fact. You know, remember she. But let me tell you something right now. You see, if me and you there, you're not supposed to DJ pan no man.
Hello.
My mic alone, you be a DJ pan, mama.
Back up. First of all, you disown me.
Yeah,
You not disown me.
yeah.
So why the hell me go on up in you? That
No,
makes
let me
sense.
teach you.
Make it make
Let me
sense.
teach you something.
Make it make sense.
Mama, relax. Let me teach you how you gonna learn. That's why someone come out of school without no subject or no listen. The reason why me this one sometime is that.
All the time and sometime.
Alright, the reason why me
I
this.
had this on my front. So why is it an issue?
Mama, no time with these certain things I will go take up. Sometimes we say when I am Tin Mackerel Road, I will be a yard or I am Tin Mackerel. Just listen what me I say. You listen? You listen?
Front that Tin Mackerel are two different something.
No.
Anyway, stop.
Them in the same category, mama. That's why me no eat it. Cause you alone make me no want eat Tin Mackerel.
You go chat
Because you're raw.
Laba.
Anyway, you know, right? Half of me, the disown you. The reason why me disown you. We can't own you up because, you know, look so 100 video on the map.
You break no blow. Hey, and this attack me a suffer. And this really actually attack me a suffer.
So, what you talking about?
And this attack me a suffer.
No, but listen now.
They say if I this attack me a suffer.
Mama, me I try to address you properly. You just ask me why me I disown you, right? Me I tell you say the reason why. You don't look so 100 should up on the map, but me still grind you. Because you have what man want.
You want bet you not get no more front? Bet me Mr. Popeye, sir, or Mr. Henry, or whatever you want name. Bet me. Want bet you not get no more front?
Me go in your room, I see pregnancy test in there. Me and you use condom. How are you have sex, raw dog?
How that concern you?
Who are you? I have sex,
Me say,
raw dog.
how that concern you? Me not afraid that you are your cutlass, you know, sir. That me try to tell you something. No, why you look
Listen
up?
me say, who are you? I have sex, raw dog. That me ask you.
And me say, that no...
What you do?
I wait, where you want? Hey, look at this. Look at this.
You want to bet the cut off here?
Bet.
And me spend money to this.
Cutty.
And me buy you
And
this.
my front do this. So cutty.
Okay.
And the front do this. Cut it out. Cut it out. Now cut it. Sit there.
Confession
How
good.
far you want it? How far you want it? Cut it now.
Confession good for the
Cutty,
soul.
me say cutty. Oh, you could have frightened me.
So the man don't realize that your breast a job flat.
Listen.
The
What
man
my
don't realize.
breast? Where's the
Nothing. Never mind. Go on.
You never see say long when you open at me.
Go on, mama. Go on.
Listen.
Listen, go on. You want me to give you one more tight? Say me give you.
Say. You see, next time you stop me if you don't foolishness, me and you gonna have serious issues. Go about your business.
You first time you used to
You
have.
don't catch a man.
You used to have batty now, you know, have none
He
of them.
can. He still can't cock up on the backers door.
Girl, your market goes done.
He still can't cock up on the backers. Go your way.
Girl, your own one rush.
want this.
Girl, your own one
This
render.
all if a man want this.
Girl, your own one jizz out. Your own one mouthwash. Toothpaste. Girl, you want gas in that lighty. You're bright.
Master Henry, come here. I'm glad to see you.
Let me ask you a question. You can't walk in peace.
No, you can't walk in a peace. Because no, me not in a peace.
What do you?
In long maga black girl over there, see up here?
Who you attack?
Me don't know she name, but you should like donkey.
Oh, he, her.
Yes, me don't know your call her, what a she, me they talk. You up here to watch people go in and come out?
When me I get extra money to pay people, me I read that? You hold on a tenant. Me tell you the rules. I feel live as one.
Yes, we live as one, but from coming at the house yes Thursday, this little girl will stop. Take a set for me.
So
I'm
what
not
she
do
do?
her anything, eh?
What she do?
Me they walk and come out of the house. I'm just simple say to her, say, if I did she there 5, she can't go. Look and work. Mama start take me and come this and come that. Mama don't even know nothing about me. Mama
Alright,
me and
me tell you
mama
where you
this
go
and
wrong
mama
now.
that.
But I'll tell you where you go wrong now. You see when you rent somewhere and a one big yard, right? Where everybody live. But you work at night, right? As I say, you work at night. It's when you come up to morning time, if you go breeze out where you want, because you know enough time when you don't work at night and you go breeze out. I don't know what kind of work you say you do again. I don't know if I dance from pole or...
I dance from pole. Me hell over the beach.
Okay, good. And you want to go to morning time, go breeze out, yes. That's when you come out and say anybody in the yard. You don't say nothing
Why
to them.
not? You say everybody in the yard are one. Everybody's supposed to live like one. Now that you just say.
Yeah.
So what wrong with me asking her a question?
No, but you have to look at somebody and tell them if you go look at work.
But every morning me come out of the house, she did it right, like she'll lay wait somebody or she'll watch her something. She never go get one job. If she can't get a decent job, she go out, she go wine pan poor because she like one go.
Mama, yeah, me come over there this morning. Under one condition, I mean, I have to go back over there again.
Yes, can you talk to your tenant
For
there?
the next condition, why me?
Because you are the landlord and you rent the house, bro.
When me rent a place, me no business with you again until when you can't
So
pay
wait
me.
there. So wait there, Mr. Henry. So you got business when time we kill one another in the house.
As long
You
as,
realize nobody in the house can agree?
as long as I'm not in my house, no one dead. Me not have a problem with it.
Oh, so I say look for life. You don't go and know say you get your money. I say look for life.
Then which landlord no business about their money and them place? The only thing we business about is the house and we money. We no business with tenant. You want to hang yourself, you hang yourself, but not hanging in my house. You come in and want to crowd in my house. When they're dead in there, see people that come over, and about me, not them sitting there. And me, I go down there, go talk to her. One more time because me no want my tenant never come and I go and I come and I go.
You need to talk to me. You need to put your place in order.
Going for me woman. Did a child who hold on me woman.
The woman they know.
She gone home. So most of the time I have to go look for her. But that's just how it go. But
Me
you
I
only
tell
I
you
say
to
no.
talk to your tenant, bro.
Fat-
I can't live saying at the house. The whole way I want.
40 grand me the charge, right?
Yes.
A month.
Yes.
And I told her I stay in one room.
Yes.
Me kind of make a mistake. I did 65 minutes to tell you.
Wow.
Because of 40 grand a person. But you wanna share the one room. We could have just simple just 60 instead of 80.
First me hear say 80, now me hear say 40, now me hear say 65. Where you take me for? My money I have to do my business too. My money I not just spend for a house where me not live comfortable in. 40,000 you say, and I each of they get.
Alright. You wanna know. Me not have a
If we want to give you another extra 40 you get from me, my love.
Alright, you hear me say, where you gonna work out a deal? The girl are who to you?
The girl I'm my friend, me know her from high school.
Alright. Since I've been telling her, say, he raised to 65. If you show me like your friend, continue to give me the 40, right? And hook me up on your friend.
No problem. Once me I get, so me can get 120. And me
No.
can get everything.
40, that's it, mama. Remember I said, me raise it, you know, me raise it to 65.
Alright, no problem. Me 40. Me I deal with it for you, man.
Right.
But make sure you talk to your tenant them over the yard.
Right, mama, you can do your hairstyle, you know.
Me too won't do it.
Do your
Don't
head.
do it. The money not coming yet. When the money coming, you say, I don't have for the ear a day. Later, make sure you talk to your tenant.
Yeah, morning.
Morning.
Wait,
What?
what is that watch also?
Oh, me throw it over there.
So, you don't know, say, all the piece bucket that there on the toilet.
Yeah, the new girl.
The new girl? Tracy?
Yes, Riri. She saw face tonight with the shit. I'm shitting her last night. I'm using last night.
So why you never want them to don't touch the bucket?
Everybody come here and have to go through that bucket there.
But you're ungrateful, so.
It's not ungratefulness.
Anyway, man, dying.
No, man, I not sleep from last night. Man, that gone.
Hold on, make I go check the room.
Okay.
You hold on there. Make I check the room.
I'm gonna call your body like something bunny pot, like something bleach out your ass. What you do with your back?
So hold on there. Let me ask you a question there. Eh? Why so much pregnancy test in Amanda room?
She check if she a breed.
She a what?
Check if she a breed. She check if pregnancy test in there.
But me I use boots. I boost up every time I go there. Sometimes the boots them me have to put on 5. And then when me hear them bust 1, 2, 3, when you get 3 me tap. Because me not chance here 4. You understand? So why the hell?
Yeah, that's what you say. You see somebody right there, so you're blind? You look at this man, this man come for the big killer job.
I joke, man.
No, don't prank me.
Prank me, I prank you, man.
Realize I'm the right answer. Forget I'm the right answer.
Prank me, I prank you, man. I test to see if you really love me. Anyway, enjoy yourself. And you can give me 10,000 this month. You know, if you really find the code.
Look at thinking girl, you can come here. Look at big bitch. From me serious to them, I don't like her.
Just relax, man.
Dirty Mona.
Lord, the new tenant, man.
I don't like, no, I don't want no tenant for the year. I don't want no tenant for the year.
Just relax yourself, man. Let me check you back. I soon come back. I go up the road and come back.
Come.
Alright, just take care of yourself. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And
why you about to bleach or the stump on something? Or stump on an iron?
you know, say, I wash and through the dirt in the hit, me just turn over the back of bleach. Me never understand how to use
That's
it.
why she have been come and wash your clothes there, but no.
Next time you will
You
know.
want scabby girl.
Next time you will know. I'll check you back later.
Last idiot.
Oh, yo, come here.
How?
Why you rush tenant? You want money, right? And you rush me tenant this morning, me tenant.
Come rush.
Me tenant see me on the road a while ago. And tell me, say, yo, at this time, I call like, if you hear the name when he call you, he call you Destiny sister, he call you Donkey.
Tell her a big who something there.
He call
argument with me. You said this man out you so me sit down on the phone, she come out say you can't look at work, you can't this, you can't that. She come out in an argument with me. You ever see this girl, you know?
look at me, not a junk rock. No, I know you may talk. I just maybe I that thing thinking yes, hey. You understand?
Me feel like say your mouth a slip on the other day. Maybe if you bust it. Maybe you say to your mouth. And look a dirty girl come here and the girl say so I don't trouble that girl. That girl come in an argument with me. She talk about me and this sister. She what? She's what? Just if you don't argue with me now. You see next time I don't lift me, I go lift up coconut or no seashell off her and put it back down. Next time I jump on her and beat her.
So you lift up seashell off her?
Yes, it bust her head, but you me no want to go to prison.
I shell anyone, shell her down.
Shell her out. Because she's too blind and bright. And then the other one, come out. Big old Manda. Why not argument with me? Why they want to argument with me? Me trouble them this morning, be so peaceful and not troubling anybody, but they want to argument with me. What me do them?
Why you always make problem with the people when you pay rent? Why you do that?
Me, I make problem with people, and people make problem with me. They are offended by me. When they see me, they start shiver. And they know I'm capable of.
When they see me tenant, they will stay up on the left. When they see them on the right.
I was right here in the corner. You think I could come out and go to her business. I never see that girl see me.
Alright, it's just some
I see when she come here this evening. I go and chuck her in her forehead. Watch. I yes, I may be upon her too. I shall shut that big dirty girl in her face. But me trouble her. I never see her.
That's what I'm listening.
Oh, yes, I'm going to chuck her in her dirty
listen, that's how I'm coming for one about. I'm in business, me I go about her.
One your hood. Come on, oh, she just a road to you. It's like you use it upon her. Because I do swing your body all about the show catch gonorrhea and syphilis.
I just know her. Me no want none of them gyal.
I say this.
All them there can stay over there.
I say this about Amanda. No mother take pregnancy test. What a thing? Me tell you about man a dog and drunk in a one. Rub it.
You see you. Funny what
So why your foot side cut and a bush they come from with girl? Bush in a with woman. He come like her pum pum nyam out there so.
You know what you want?
Then argument with me.
You know what you want?
Then argument with me.
You want some J's?
J's out your mouth and
You
your
want
back
some
bad.
J's? You.
J's out your mouth and your underneath. That's just the girl mouth. But me let me not tough in the body.
And they go look at work in the evening cause the night work not help like summer we. Sit down every day and depend on the landlord. Poor landlord can't even find out to give him wife, much less.
Girl. You realize I not see your friend. This man is a shit bucket in your face and wash your face and brush your teeth, you know. Me not attack about it, you know.
Mama.
Me know you alone.
Mama,
No, you come about me.
Me come on you.
I'm from
Did I call your name?
I'm from
Did I say Taylor?
Hey.
Hey, Mama.
God,
Mama.
I realize
Did
the devil come
I
this
say Taylor? I
morning.
need to go and look at work.
I'm from morning, oh no, I try to pest me brain. From morning, I get on top of my nerves.
You
Mama.
see anybody I pest your brain, I go take out the problem from them. Not take
You
out
better
from
come
me.
go where you go.
Mama, come if you come with me, I come look at work. Look at work, drunk crow.
So crow be a dirty big hey.
Look at work.
See me girl.
Stop depending on the landlord. Stop depending on the landlord. This is
Stop,
not getting
stop walk out your body.
every day open up your legs. You're not getting nothing. The days are
How you know about me?
Why is God take it?
What you know about me? What you know about me? Look at hey,
Mama,
oh my God.
from me come.
God.
Chatina. Every day skin out that's so. You landlord. And you're not getting nothing.
Can I do see I told my God church yesterday.
You not getting nothing. Then I see. Mama look on you. I'm sorry if you can't. You see when it's time to get hungry and kill you. Look at what John Crow.
So when you God know me I try change and go to come to God. And every day the devil send them across this gal yeah. But you, Jesus, can me tell you, me go to God church in our work.
Dive in the man, I see if you can dive in this. Well, that boy. Hi. Boom,
Hey, why make you not come to school?
I couldn't question that. The same thing she come ask me, you ask me. You don't see difference. You don't see my nose pierced. You don't see I haven't touched you. You don't see.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I do not want to be inquisitive or, as Jamaicans would say, love.
Wait. Can you just start clicking on my brain? Can I cover my brain in the way? How much you tell the man say how much?
18 hours.
You know say a lie. You is a liar Christian. You know say Christian don't tell lie.
Look who I talk. You just tell the man say you're 19.
I'm not a Christian. You is a Christian and Christian should not lie.
Everybody lie. Tony, can't believe I'm talking.
Where do you so?
No, girl.
What you mean, no?
This down there chair take some fresh air.
Oh, because you can't take it on your veranda, your yard.
Yo, where are you with?
How this a job board?
I am see man.
Where are you with?
So, where are you with them?
We speak to them.
You know, sir?
You don't see I'm a woman and her friend.
Where woman?
She.
She
Yeah?
and her friend.
Yeah? You're blind?
Me know me can't see clear, my boy.
How much? You know how old she be? Yeah? How old she be? 19. Listen, 19. I thought you walk around and tell the man them that you put on tattoo and pay it up. And you have broke up with that, sir? I can't off your gun. Hey, where you go? That idiot, you ever see big gun? You ever see big gun? Serious boy, I go rush me, I know.
Batty boy,
Show them boy or something.
Alright now. A batty boy.
Must swallow, boy. Must swallow. Must swallow, boy. How you go?
Remember where me I go? It's still me dirty dog. You don't have time for me, you know. So left me a left.
What you mean if me not have time for you? You me a call look for?
Yeah, come look for me, you know. When last you come look for me? When last you come over here, Timmy?
I work, me I work. Sick? 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 You have a bit?
Yeah.
Are you warm? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, you have a bit. You know what that? You know what that? That's called pregnancy. Sign of pregnancy. Vomit, fever, flu. Girl, I will breed you. Who find time breed you?
Come boy.
One man. And I see a man let me see you with.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, and you tell me that your friend. Look, girl.
And I just see when I tell him I can talk about how it are mine, because he not know.
Ah! How it all mine? In all the money. You hear how me son? Me sick right now myself. Me feel like me pregnant too. So you pregnant, me pregnant. Because you look like me pregnant with you. Because you hear how me son? You hear how me son? And for me, have you idiot. I maintain it for your baby because you kill, you murder your mother at birth. Right?
Who name Peter?
Peter, not bus driver. We run the school bus.
So what kind of text am I him a text? What? So you're in love with somebody now?
No, my friend borrow my phone and name Pinky.
Yes, 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 man. James Quincy coming. James Quincy coming. When we can, I'm gonna Jesus, somebody dead.
Daddy have to make porridge.
Somebody dead.
Nobody not dead, Daddy. Nobody not dead. Daddy, nobody not dead.
You're a fool.
What you mean, babe? You know, just... Oh, where y'all go with sister?
Turn around.
Oi!
Oh, sit down. Turn around.
No!
Like money that you can't count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want it in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, you want me get the lick in Spanish? You want get... When would I want your money? Hmm? So what you like doing for?
I want my money, Papa.
Me tell me don't have your money. Listen.
Papa, where you carry my shit in my house? How you come to do? After you take me $100, you come to come warn me?
Man! I want my flash here, pan.
Look
Flash
funny.
me here, yeah.
Look funny. I come to another get today, you know.
So what you ain't cut it?
Flash it,
Done.
girl, appear it. Why? No! No!
Move that.
No, me not move. Girl, what this girl? Girl, no! What?
Hey! God! Shanice! Is breathing? No, sir. Chew up. Feel bad. So you dey hide and do it. Tell us, me sorry. Me no, you know want hear where they go on here so. Right here so, pick me in at this belly. Me send it to school and she a breed.
I breathe. Oh.
Melody has a look at her.
What's wrong with her?
I like the look sorry. She looks scary.
But then I have to be kind of lonely, you know. You know, that's my company to talk to you sometimes to do a year or two.
Hi, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, name me, I call him.
No.
I'm gonna get there with my phone, one man, girl.
Jeez, please to tell me say I want broke my leg up and you go pick up.
No, a contractor. Oh. You have to look at the money, girl. I want to look at her. So she's not really bad. She's nice and cute, so. Yeah.
I'm in the phone, me now here.
How are you there, sir?
Oh, yeah, hold on there a minute. We ask me what me
Yeah, in a spot, I have some hustle, you try excuse. Come, you come.
So, mama, I really
Go
like to
inside.
say you hustle?
Then, you know, for me look where things say me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better
How
look work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You have to look work. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to
Just
me.
what go on in the sky over America.
Why go in the sky for America? But the America, me
This is
there,
what Elon
Jamaica.
must do.
Me busy what him want do.
And me, my daughter, anytime, man. But the next time I see sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black horse. I don't drink more, I don't know what's up with them. I light up my weed.
Me now all that's in a car pass, so we not to worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
You look a nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So yeah, what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
But look, man, you see.
It's yucky and
That
thing.
not up to do with me, this nah shatter, man. The duff cat not the righteous, so.
Step out the pan. In a people yard, you're out of that pan.
my horse. If me
Come out.
don't get
Look, come out.
You must free up your
Mind my eye. Mind my eye. Take him out here, cause you look too much.
Man, you know, see?
I'm taking your chair right now.
And so she a big man, she force wipe, you see?
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try to shut up. I don't know what you say.
What? You cheat us.
But she bright, are you shut up to her? What this? But tell us, you penny a big woman. Watch him.
Try to shut up.
Oh, we are talk.
The devil confess.
Man, I do whole heap of something. I just little bit of man, me. Me say me can go obey a man. Man, I do whole heap of something.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man?
I'm a tidy man.
Which man that?
Trish. The bomba. Good girl, come out. Jesus Christ. What do you hand? Mama. When you come get auntie a hug, man. How you do?
Why you socks in their hands?
I fight
Why the uniform tear up so?
I fight at school and the girl pop up me uniform.
You beat her?
Yeah.
Boss it.
Where you telling about
Boss
boss it
it,
one?
touch
Where you
it.
telling about boss it one?
Yes.
I boss your box.
We are.
Why purpose say that?
I know I said, do me and my friend, they want to get rich.
Rich.
Yeah.
Which is a must.
I mean, you say you're good. That's what the 10 boy, you for me. Yeah.
Rich is a must.
Yeah, so what me have to do?
Me good enough, man. You don't
Me and my
question
friend.
me. Wait.
You can't deal with it and make me get
Mama,
rich.
no. You hear what go happen, Mama? Rich. You know what is rich?
Mama, you know what is
Kindness.
obia?
Eh? I
You
know,
what is
obia.
Obia.
We have to go sacrifice somebody.
See
Baby.
the thing?
I don't know now we go get it.
You know that.
Mama, we just know say we are go rich. Listen to me. I'm going to tell you this today, because it's like we're not getting on the hand. By the hook or by the crook, before the ear fit done, what we must be what? Rich.
You will spin your roll.
For what? How about that?
Yeah.
What is that? What's that?
What
kind of dog this, yeah?
for?
Hello. Hello, make me talk. I come like when you come waste time, you know. Me come here about money, me want to get rich.
Rich.
Mm-hmm.
Sure, I know I get rich.
I don't know about them, I know about me. Rich, me want to get rich. Mm-hmm.
Nobody say no. Pick like in the liquor, tools, or food.
Anything.
Anything.
Thank you.
So long they take to come back.
No, them not come back and then she can get my niece before me. I mean, they carry come. So come back.
Alright.
See me. We are telling me, mama. Hey. See me carry girl come. Mr. Mikara, non-virgin, God, hubby man, you get on the virgin. I daughter to behind people back. You hear weird. You hear? Oh, do you? Well, girl. Same thing. What she idiot?
Girl. Nothing happen. Me pray ya.
Mama! Why? Jesus, wait. Wait.
Me can't move, Kayla.
Why?
Hey!
Come me, brother.
I'm if you move. Me foot. Come here.
Jesus! I need you now.
Little girl, stop it.
Jesus!
Stop it, little girl. Stop it. Stop it.
Jesus!
The bag back up it me.
Tell my money.
Rich. Me rich. I get money. I'm rich. Kayla. Where rich this day?
Shawty's rich.
Where rich?
Shawty's money.
Where money that girl?
I never plan to give you no more money for today. I just last night me send some money to your account. I don't understand. So that the money they finish already?
No, finish baby, but my pocket feel light.
Your pocket feel light?
Okay, Ocha. Flimsy, I can't alone me here. Me not hear no Ben Franklin.
Me I promise you buy you one Ferrari. Me know me not get it back. So you better ask me if me can give you one money.
Why? Let go me I come and just see you. Why I transfer 150,000 your husband to your boyfriend?
I'm my husband that I'm not a fact we not married yet, but I'm my husband to be. But
and your one brother, your one flesh and blood.
Me never say me not go give you, me say me not lend you no money because me know you not give me back. All the while me lend you money, so you not give me back. Me just give you part away, you just say me can't give you so much money towards much chance. So it's a year tank, a year.
Change here.
You know, say you would have called for two. And over there we want to go. Put up.
Go over there, go do.
Eh? Let me stay with you.
No, you can't stay.
Girl, now you sick in your heart. Me? Sick in my heart? Yeah. No, girl. I'm a mother, child, I'm a father. You said you get a little money. Sick with heart. I can't sick with heart and I drink right now.
I eat me and sick and me and walk past and me see you drink rum.
No, girl, that's scam me.
I lie down in a bed in a hospital and sick with the heart and want a brand new water. So me here say you want brand new heart.
Scam, daddy girl.
No, me can't carry nobody over there.
Sick off your darkers.
Me can't always want to take off my darkers.
Me don't know, because I can't see your face over your darkers. See man, I tell you about ya.
You man, me see
you.
man.
Look on Facebook, you know.
You see me?
Man, me see.
Which way you see me?
Yes,
me must see you now.
Yes, me. Hello.
Hold on. Yes.
Me know you know, but me act like me no know you. Me know say you there with my auntie now.
Me there with your auntie?
Yes, my auntie.
Me no know auntie.
Hey,
me no there with nobody auntie.
If I move a muscle, me chat.
Which auntie me there with?
Just know say my auntie there with you. You have to pay me to keep my month. If I want month to lock up, you have to pay me.
Oh, that. Normally, me always buy 1 pound of chicken, but since as you come from foreign, you can buy.
Seriously? 1 pound of chicken?
Yeah. So if it's 2 days, we cut in half and share with 2 days. But like when you can buy 1 bag of chicken.
I don't think you have to buy a bag of chicken. You can just buy maybe 2 or 3.
3 bags?
No, not 3 bags. 3 single chicken, like a whole chicken, you know, the whole thing.
Hold on there.
Who that day?
You see, my brother put in this, I don't know my niece.
Oh, I'm finna know any. They never introduced me.
Second, I'm going to buy 5 million. She asked, I'm going to ask her 5 million to get.
No, man, this heavy.
Oh, excuse me.
Man, these are for me, man.
Girls, what's wrong with you people? You see me there with my wife. We not know manners.
What? Your wife? So you put your wife over me?
Baby. Who are these
But
people? Baby, go call secret.
Just tell me what's going on right here.
Wife.
Stop the fighting. You guys don't need to fight. What's going on here?
No, man. I'm my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
As me, I said, no, my mother-in-law.
What's your name?
I'm Riri.
Your name is Riri. Where are you from?
I come from the ghetto.
Ghetto? Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, see, don't come with me.
You want me to sit beside you?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Okay.
So you say, are your son?
My son.
Yeah, are your son?
Who dare you to speak to me like that?
Yeah, me, my mom, I speak to you.
That's my man.
Eh? And me man that there.
Girl, I'm stop coming over and tell baby call security man them no baby. Baby call security no.
Call security for your liar self.
Baby.
Where you take this thing for?
Baby call security
Why are
man
you talking like that?
Baby look man and
Oh,
two
you
batter
say that me man. You say your mother sick. And
Baby.
attack. Oh, you say your mother sick. Talk to me now. Oh, she
Baby.
attack. Not on
Baby,
her.
look man and two batter foot girl. Why they over with
Me a
yourself?
butterfoot girl.
Why not baby come on.
But I know this up in the bed in up there so with me I never know say me a butterfoot.
Yeah man. She too.
And burger, you not hesitate. Now you know say I'm pregnant, you hesitate.
What you mean after me not sure if I feel me pitney?
What you mean by anybody breed me, you have to take care of me, you know?
Not because me coming at you, you know. No claim say no that, no claim say I'm my pitney, you know.
Are you alone me lie down with me?
Me a look olive oil in this up on the dresser, yeah? Go and use it and fry it. I never me tell you to go grind and can't maintain what in a you. Me tell you, say, go get a work, you know. Go get a work, you see me and that bastard child now go work.
Lord God, go with me soon.
How are you?
Oh. I can't you me a look for.
Why?
Could never you me a see.
Your father tormenty.
Could never she me the see.
Me or something.
Torment bad.
Where you up on the road?
Daddy, so me can't come out the road again for breeze before where you burn up with iron.
So you see me I go up and down. And you not even move a muscle like you're interested.
Daddy, when me a move, I must my foot hurt me, Daddy.
What that friend I do? Tell you? I will be a show work for you.
Me no know.
How are you?
Me hungry right now, you know, man.
Ah! What you say?
Me say me hungry.
You're hungry? Okay. So you never know say what you have inside you go feed for your liver. Eh? You left her this morning, right? Bright and early. What you tell me say you're going to do? You're going to look for baby daddy. So baby daddy don't you know money?
No.
Oh, see it's done.
No.
If you're a company you like come here teacher.
So you want to teach me how to be a granny? You want to make me baptize and all of that and all of that? Me no want to be a granny, Daddy. Me can't bother to stay now. I will sit there and burn up my foot with iron now.
You teach you how to be a what?
A granny. You want me to have Christian friend or whatever. Me I done Christian already. Me no want a Christian.
So you're not cleansy? Bad man don't know what. You saw a bad man here? One rifle. Pow! One pit in the belly and no father. Poor pit never born. Ball I wonder grandpa what the daddy there. Never swear to tell him. Your mama go check your daddy and your daddy. Pow! And dump that rock.
Hey, girl.
Then this a girl a real.
Who you hide me, man? That me really.
Hey, girl. No, girl. Don't come in at me. Look for me. Look. What up? I'm in nation. Yeah. I'm a TB woman. Door, hey, girl. Door.
Girl, yeah.
I'm gonna carry them.
Watch it, mama. Watch it.
I want the man.
Watch it, mama.
I want this.
Boy, you should watch my boy.
I want this in me.
How that?
When me a hold that, I mean, can I pull the door?
So come.
Let me where so come.
Yo, come here, man.
Soldier this here.
Come here, man.
Your friend, me, sir. Supposed to give me heart attack.
Come here, man. Come here, son.
Good afternoon, soldier.
Where you come from?
I come from my yard. Where you talking about?
Show you where you come from.
Yeah. Watch ya! Yeah! Boop, 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 boop. You mean me daughter? Yeah. Soldier man. Welcome, son-in-law. Welcome. Good choice, girl. You see it?
Daddy.
Yo, no, you get ghost for ghost.
Chill. Make him man talk.
Huh?
Look up in me. Look up in the house for.
No.
Look up in the house for.
Watch it, babe.